This refrigerator is full of crap. It is not organized. It used to be. I don't know. I don't know what happened. While we clean up this refrigerator, we're gonna make us a coffee with a shot. That's always fun, guys. Always fun. There is a box of Velveeta stuck in the freaking fridge. What are the odds? Guys, this is some of the best spray. This is some of the best spray I've ever gotten. It's all natural. I got it from a lady on TikTok, and her kids have like some disorder where she can't use these chemicals, I guess, in the house at all. I'll have to include the link. But yeah, I got another bottle. I have about 2 extra bottles, but this cleans better than some of the stuff I've ever had. So this is the name, 3C's. Check them out. Looks like I'm gonna be opening that bottle soon.